recording. No.
Oh.
Yo. So Max got his first stuffy nose this week. And Scarlett has learned how to make-believe cough. She's not even a cough. What are you...
Lift her up and see if she's loud.
What does that mean? What does that mean? Hello? Dad, I always see you coughing. Wait till you really do have a cough. You're not going to be doing that anymore.
Buttercup. Pretty lady. Max is looking at her like, what the hell are you doing? Why would you do that? There's no reason to make believe you're coughing now. Where's my smile?
You're gonna make believe cough so much it's gonna make you really start coughing. You wait till the camera's on you and then you do it. It's really funny.